Tell us about your journey a little bit.
I started my journey in Vinkonda. I asked my teacher, I want to get a good rank in JEE Advanced. Then he suggested me to join in Narayana CO School Hyderabad. I wrote an entrance examination in Narayana CO School Hyderabad. Then I got good marks in that. Then I got admission into it. In the CO School program, we have very good teachers and very good curriculum. So it strengthened my foundation levels. It improved my maths, physics skills a lot.
Very good. And you came so far, started off at 7th standard. It's a long journey and it's just a few months away from the JEE Advance. How is this success helping you with that preparation?
I am very motivated due to this result. My aim is to secure a good rank in JEE Advance as well, to pursue IIT Bombay CS course.
I'm sure it's not just about getting a good rank. You'll get the best rank in JEE Advance as well. All the best to you and congratulations once again.